Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Friday, March the 3rd. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. So for the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation. So as we start off this morning, you can see we had an open last night at 2380, worked our way down overnight low, 2374 area, 7375. Cross back up to this open again. And now we are just consolidating between the open and the 24-hour VWAP here at 76.75. So where do we go from here? Well, short story is the news and where do we want to go from here? We just had over a 50% retracement since the day before yesterday's move. So now are they going to try to force us back up, or are we going to just stay down and take a break since it's Friday? For right here today, let's look at going down. Since we've already touched the open again, moving back down. Look for this target to move back down to the 2374 for a first target as we close below this 24-hour VWAP. From here, look for a big bounce again to try to overcome this open and push right back in to the overnight highs or yesterday's high in here, and then back up into this zone at 82. Look to retrace here at 2380 and then on up. However, if we come down here and we fail, well, we bounce off of here and then come touch this 24 VWAP, come back down and fail this zone and this double bottom here, watch out below. We're already got the seller stepping in to take this market lower here this morning. So look, we're going to come on down to the 2370, come back up and retest this area in this zone right in here at 73, and then push down to 66. Try to come back up probably around 68, 50, somewhere in here, and then drive down to the bottom of the zone towards 64 area. Come back and test the top of this zone, probably right around the 66 area, and then drive all the way down to this 2360 area. We'll look at market profile and make it look at the key areas to look at. So as we look at this one here, we also have targets down in the 54 area and 2350 area today. Very real possibility if the sellers step in. Now anywhere along here could be a reversal to the backup, so please keep an eye on that. Use your zones for targets. Watch for the pullbacks, and as long as we stay above the 24-hour VWAP, look forward to continue to the upside. Now, if we get back up in here, let's say we close above this open, get to the overnight high here of 80.75, and then work our way up into the zone. Look for a pullback for this little area between the 80.75, 79.75, then push up into the top of the zone 84. Maybe a retest again to about the 81, and look for this market to jump up to this zone at 87. And at here, we're probably going to maybe have a point or two pullback to 86, but go right up to yesterday's open, the 92.50 area, possibly even the 94. Pull back to this zone about 89.50, and then if the buyer's really interested, stepping in right back up to this 2400. Looking for a double top up here, more than likely. Major reversal down, or at least profit taking for today. Very unlikely we goes above that today, but you just don't know. So we do have targets up there in the 24.5 area and 24.11. So let's take a look at market profile for the longer term targets for the day, and then we'll call it a good Friday. As we look here on a daily chart, we still stayed above the 2161, which is where our max fall should be today, if even there. Okay, this should hold support. But if it does, great place to go long at the 2167 area. Excuse me, 2161, 2361. It is Friday, right? And then look for it to move back up. However, we're pulling right back here. This is just a little pullback. We could just drive right on up. But once we clear this 2382, look out for the next target up here. High of this candle, 2401, where we could double top and then retrace back to this 2361 area. All right, if we fail that, look for the 2342. If we could clear above this, look for the next targets at 2426 on a 4-hour time frame. Let's get back over here real quick. Looks like it all ran together on us. Let's squeeze this together, open this up, and pull back here. There we go. We can see our targets. We failed here. Pulling right back here to the top right now. So we want this 2370 area, this 2370 area to hold as we start working our way back up to the 2399. That's what we need to do. If we fell below this 2360 area here, again, look for retracement to 2345, 30, 20, all the way back to the 12 here. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestockers.com and have a great day.